Here we are retrieving the widgets for a particular topic. What about creating? When we create a new widget, we need to create the widget for that particular topic, right? Now, the way we probably implemented it, right, on the server, let's see, did we create that on the service? Yeah, we created the widget, right? We created a widget. Did we implement create widget for topic? How do we implement this? So save. Probably we're passing the topic ID already, right? Let's see. When we do the save in list component, where is the create? Here's the create button. There it is. We're passing the topic ID. We're implementing it here. There's our topic ID, and oh no, we're dynamic. We're choosing a random ID, right? This is kind of a leftover from previous implementations, right? When we were creating IDs in the client, we really want these IDs to be on the server, right? So the save actually creates that ID. So we don't really need this here. So here's our new widget, and we're passing it over. So we're passing the ID here. So on the server, in the controller. In the widget controller, we should have a post that is listening for this. There's our post. There's our topic ID. All right, and there it is. We were parsing out the topic ID from the URL. Okay, I think what we did here is the following, right? To implement this, what we did is we said widget dot set topic. We had a set topic ID. Remember that? We had a set topic ID, right? But now we don't have that anymore because, again, that was very low-level, string-based. Right? Now we have foreign keys and primary keys, right? So how do we do this? How do we do that? So to implement this is the following. We're going to call create widget. Right? We're going to pass the topic ID. We're going to pass the topic ID. Right? We're going to go in there. We don't have the topic ID here, so we're going to say integer. Oops, integer topic ID. There it is. Right? And what we're going to do is that we're not going to use this implementation and just save the widget, because now there's a relationship between the topic and the widget, right? We can't just save the widget. The widget belongs to a topic. So how do we do that? So again, using an object-oriented mechanism, right? So what we're going to do is that we're going to do the same thing that we did here. We're going to find the topic. We're going to find the topic. Now that we have retrieved the topic from the database, we can now use object-oriented mechanisms. We can say topic dot we're going to say widget. Sorry, we're going to say widget. Your parent is this topic, right? Again, very object-oriented. Okay, so there is no more dealing with foreign keys and primary keys, right? That's SQL, right? We don't want to do that. Instead, this allows us to think about this in an object-oriented fashion, right? That these things are pointing to each other at the object level, right? So we're not dealing with primary keys and foreign keys anymore, and then we can save the widget, right? So let's do that. Let's restart the server. Oops. Create widget. Okay, so 1. Anyone else? Yeah, this was expecting these to be integers and whatnot, right? So these are integers now. Integer. Anything else? Let's see. Let's restart. Okay, so let's see. Let's refresh. So right now we have JPA. It has these two widgets, and let's create one. I'm not sure that quite worked. Let's refresh. Okay, it did create it. Maybe our title, we're not sending the title correctly. Let's see what's saved in the database. Let's refresh. Oh, it's using the heading, right? It's using heading. So let's change that to an H here. Let's apply. So if we refresh, yeah, it does. It is being added, right? I'm just not being consistent in my creation of these widgets. So I guess I should be consistent. And for now, maybe in the widget list here, in the widget I can just use. I can, let's see, what do I do here? In the create, when I create by default, I think the default was that the widgets had, yeah, heading. Yeah, it is heading. It is the default. So I need to be consistent, right? Right. So I'll go back here and make sure that these are correct. These are heading the way they're supposed to be, and this is paragraph. And I'll go back and update my database appropriately. So this is heading, 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 and then paragraph. There we go. And we're going to apply and re-update all those so that this renders appropriately. There we go. We got the right, same thing for rest. Excellent. And here too, I can create a couple more, and that's working. Make sense? Right, so I am establishing the relationship between topics and widgets, right, in the database. Notice that the foreign keys are being updated. Right, notice that right, if I refresh, notice that all these foreign keys are being updated correctly. Right, that they refer to the correct topic. Excellent. What about the fact that these topics are supposed to be for a particular parent lesson, right? So we kind of skipped that part, but it's basically the same kind of logic that we just did between topics and widgets, right? Just like we have find all the widgets for a given topic, right? They would be the same thing. You would have instead of retrieving all the topics, you would retrieve all the topics for a given lesson, right? So that needs to still be done. Okay.